Want to ace your appraisal and secure that raise? Your self-appraisal is the secret weapon you're ignoring. Watch now to learn how to make it work for you. Self-appraisals are more than just a formality. They are a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. This document compels you to reflect on your entire year, evaluate your achievements, and strategically plan for the future. The true value lies in being fully prepared to negotiate your increment and set meaningful goals for the upcoming year. Let's delve into why self-appraisals are crucial and how you can make the most of them. 1. Preparation. Wins appraisals. Think of your self-appraisal as a mirror reflecting your year's work. It's not just about filling out a form. It's about taking a step back to assess your performance. By doing so, you equip yourself with the necessary insights to discuss your achievements confidently. For instance, if you've consistently met your targets, your self-appraisal is the platform to highlight this. Preparation ensures you're not caught off guard during your review. 2. Claim credit before expiry. Throughout the year, you've worked diligently on preset goals and targets. However, new projects and unforeseen crises may have arisen, and both you and your manager might have forgotten some of your contributions. Your self-appraisal acts as a time capsule, preserving your work history and allowing you to claim credit before the year ends. Imagine you handled a critical project during a crisis. This is your chance to ensure it's recognized. 3. The great equalizer. Are you the quiet workhorse who does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes while others bask in the limelight on awards day? Worry not. The self-appraisal form is the great equalizer. It ensures you receive equal credit and recognition, just like the more vocal members of your team. Use it to step out of the shadows and showcase your contributions. For example, if you've been instrumental in team success, your self-appraisal is the stage to highlight your role. 4. Unburden your boss. Consider this. Your boss has to submit appraisals for, say, 18 people in their team. Is it practical for one person to remember each individual's work outcomes and evaluate everyone within a deadline, all while completing their own year-end targets? A detailed self-appraisal not only helps you, but also eases your boss's burden. By providing a comprehensive account of your achievements, you make their job easier and ensure a fair evaluation. 5. Interview prep for your next job. The self-appraisal exercise before your annual review does more than just secure an increment. It becomes the foundation for updating your resume and preparing for your next job interview. When you're asked to speak about your past performance, your self-appraisal will be your go-to resource. Realize this, and you'll never view self-appraisals as a chore again. For instance, if you've led a successful project, your self-appraisal will help you articulate this experience succinctly in future interviews. Conclusion. Self-appraisals are a vital part of your professional journey. They prepare you for appraisals, ensure you get the credit you deserve, and even help you in future job interviews. Embrace this opportunity to reflect, document, and plan. Remember, a well-crafted self-appraisal is not just a formality. It's a strategic tool for career advancement. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.